students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, which one of the following charge is not possible? And these are our options. So one property of charge that we know, that charge is quantized. Quantized means charge can only exist in integral multiple of E, where E is 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And this is the charge on electron, or magnitude of charge on electron. Why like this? Why charge is quantized? So let's see, if we have two atoms, and this is losing one electron and this is gaining one electron, so this will get a positive. So we are transferring one electron, so this will get a positive E charge, and this will get a negative E charge because it is gaining a electron. Or if we are transferring two electrons, it will get a positive 2E charge, and this will get a negative 2E charge. But we cannot transfer a part of an electron, that is 0.5 electron charge, because electron is a fundamental particle. We cannot further break it. So we cannot transfer half of an electron. That's why we'll have to transfer and some number of electrons, that is an integer number, right? So we can only transfer complete electron, not a part of electron. That's why all charges that you see are actually integral multiple of E. So let's see our option. Our option A is actually E charge, correct? Option B is 2E charge, and option D, you will see it is 4 times E charge. Our option B is something 3.2E charge, which is not an integral multiple of E. So our correct option will be option C, correct? Option C is our correct answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.